Chapter 18 are feelings. What different types of feelings do we have? What are emotions? Why should we learn to control our emotions? What is good touch and bad touch? How can we save ourselves from bad people? Children, in this chapter we are going to study all these points. Okay? So let's start then. We have different types of feelings. If everything happens as we like it, we are happy. If something happens that we do not like, we become sad. If certain things do not happen the way we want them, we become angry. If some unexpected things happen, we are surprised. If something causes a feeling of harm to us, we become afraid. See, they have given the different emotions, feelings of our faces. See, this face indicates happy, this is sad, this is angry, and this is surprised, this is afraid. These feelings are also called emotions. These all feelings together are called emotions. In your mobile, you have those emojis, no? Which we use while chatting with our friends in Facebook, in WhatsApp. Isn't it, children? These emojis we will be using. In chatting, instead of typing, we use these emojis. Whenever you are happy, you use happy emoji. Isn't it? So these all feelings are called emotions. Controlling emotions. We share our feelings with our parents, other family members, and friends. But sometimes we need to hide our feelings. We should learn to control our emotions. Rahul wanted a toy from the toy shop. His father did not buy the toy for him. He started crying loudly at the shop. Do you think he has done the right thing? Bani's brother opened her bag and took her favorite colors without asking her. When Bani saw this, she became very angry. She said a few bad words and snatched the colors. Was it the right behavior? We should control our feelings of anger and joy. We should not let others feel bad or make fun of us. See, in Rahul's case, what he has done, children, is he right? He has to do like that? Tell me. For silly reasons, you should cry. You can convince your dad. If you want to buy the doll, you can convince your dad. You can convince your father, no, instead of crying. If you cry, even your father will become angry on you. And what about the shopkeeper there? What he feels about you? He'll be not having good impressions on you, isn't it? So, whenever you are upset, what you should do, children? You try to convince your father. You tell him why you need that doll. If it is necessary, then only buy it. If it is not necessary, no need to buy. And your parents will be knowing that better than you. Okay? And in Barney's case, see, somebody have taken your things without your permission means it's not correct. But instead of becoming angry on them and shouting on them and using bad words, are worse, no, children. You should not do like that. You can tell them. You can try to teach them that you should not do. If you do like this, it's wrong. Isn't it? We should not touch somebody's things without their permission. We should not touch one's things without their permission, no? It's wrong. Isn't it? Even you should not. So, in such cases, you have to control your feelings. You have to learn them. You have to learn how to control the feelings. Controlling emotions. I'm upset. My feelings have been hurt. What can I do? So, whenever you are upset and you have been hurt, what you will do, children? Should I cry? Should I fight? Should I hurt others? No, no, no. You should not do any of them, children. Instead of doing this, you can do these things. What you can do? relax. Talk to your friends, read a book, play a game, watch your favorite program on TV, and you can talk with your parents also. If something is bothering you, go and talk with your parents. Tell them, this is happening with me, what I can do. They will give you solution. If you don't want to tell to your parents, tell to your friends. You can tell to your teachers also, isn't it? If something is bothering you, tell your elders. Okay, children, instead of fighting, instead of becoming upset, instead of becoming angry, you can change your mood by doing these things. You can play a game, you can watch TV. That time you can watch TV, not for a long time. Okay, after doing this, you will feel better, you will feel happy again, isn't it? Now, good touch, bad touch. The touch may be of different types. It may be hitting, pushing, hugging, tickling, kicking, punching, kissing, shaking hands. Now there is an activity. How do you feel when someone touches you? Now we have to answer this. Types of touch, type of touch, whether you like it or you don't like it. Okay. When your mother hugs you, obviously you like it, isn't it? When someone hits you, do you like it? No, you don't like it. When someone pushes you, obviously you will not like it. When your friend shakes hands with you, you will feel like you like it, isn't it? You will be happy. When your parents kiss you, obviously you like it. When a stranger touches your body, you will not like it. Save yourself from bad touch. Your body is only yours. Do not allow others to touch it without your permission. What should you do if somebody if somebody known to you or a stranger tries to touch your body at places that you do not like? That time, what you should do, children? Move away from that person as soon as possible. Avoid coming near that person. Never be alone with such a person. Tell your parents about him or her. In that situation, what you will do, children? If you're feeling like that, if you're not liking that person, if that person is looking weird, if you're feeling something bad about that person, you should not go near to that person, or you should not allow that person to come near to you. So what you should do? You should move away from that person as soon as possible and avoid coming near that person. Okay? And never be alone with such a person. Immediately, if parents are there near you, go and tell them. Okay? Most of the people with bad intentions try to attract children with chocolates, toys, etc. Never accept such things. Do not go alone with anybody to lonely spots. Children, what will happen? You people are fond of chocolates, toys, no? So such people try to attract you by giving such things. So in your home also your parents will be telling, no, if any stranger is giving you chocolate, ice cream, toys, you should not take it and you should not follow that person. Yes or no? Your parents will be often telling you. Why? Because those people will be dangerous to you. Their intentions will be bad. So they may harm you. Isn't it? So if any strangers are contacting you, if they are trying to give you something, don't accept it. Okay, children? And listen to your parents. If such things happen, immediately tell to your parents. If any other elders are there, for example your grandparents, your uncle aunties, you can tell them. Even you can tell to your friends also. But be aware of such things, children. You should be careful. Okay? So what we have learnt in this chapter? We have different types of feelings. These feelings are called emotions. We express our emotions to others, but sometimes we need to control our emotions. People touch us in different ways. The touch that we like is called good touch. The touch which we do not like, is called bad touch. We should keep away from the person whose touch we do not like. We should inform our parents about that person. We should never accept chocolates from strangers. Did you understand, children? If such things happen, please aware of these points. Okay. And in this chapter you have learned how to behave in front of others, how to control your emotions. Whenever you are angry, please calm down. Relax. For a moment, relax. Don't immediately react. Don't shout on others. Don't use bad words. If you use bad words, what impression you will be having on others? They will be thinking that you are a bad boy. Isn't it? Only for that second, if you are reacting like that, you will become a bad boy. So, if you want to avoid that, please relax that time. Control your anger. Okay? Do not shout. At your home also, you will be shouting on your mother, you will be shouting on your father, no? Whenever they will be not buying your favorite things, you start crying. Don't cry, children. Okay? Try to control your emotions. Okay, children, bye. Have a nice day.